breath meditation for pelvic healing. Sit comfortably or lie down on your back, maybe even with your hips propped up on a pillow or two. Close your eyes and settle deeper into your position. Let your breath come and go, in and out through your nose. Notice the breath coming in and notice the breath going out. Allow your breathing to be at your own easy, natural pace, and simply notice and observe how it comes and goes. Welcome each breath like a friend. Honor its arrival and its departure. And just know that your rhythmic breath is like two parts of a never-ending circle. One part coming in and the other part going out. Keep feeling this circular rhythm slowly, gently, easily, and effortlessly. Now start to notice the shift in between the in-breath and the out-breath. The turn of the breath, the space between. Notice the slight pause as an inhale turns into an exhale. And then the slight pause as the exhale becomes an inhale. The circle of your breath becomes a square. Inhale and pause. And then exhale and pause. Every breath is a complete cycle. Inhale, pause. Exhale, pause. There should be no forcing or breath holding during the pause. Just rest in the moment and wait for your body to naturally take you into the next change. Just like life, your breath is dynamic, fluid, always cycling, always reorganizing. Inhale and pause, and then exhale and pause. Now bring your breathing more deeply into your body. Imagine your breath like a flowing wave. Inhale your breath down into your pelvic floor. Feel your abdomen rise and your ribs expand all the way around. Let your lungs fill up completely and then pause. As you exhale, feel the wave of breath move from your pelvic floor on up as the air leaves your lungs. Feel your belly moving back toward your spine and your ribs gliding gently in as your diaphragm lifts. Let your lungs empty completely and pause. Keep the wave going. Inhale down into the pelvic floor, feeling the expansion in your belly and ribs, feeling your pelvic floor soften and release just a little. It's okay to let it relax down. Let it receive your pelvic organs. Now exhale and feel your pelvic floor return back up to its resting position as your belly draws in and your ribs come closer together. Keep the wave going with a slight pause between each in-breath and out-breath. Breathe at your own pace, no forcing, no effort, just a rhythmic, natural wave like the ocean. As you continue to breathe, imagine and feel a column of light slowly spreading down from your head to your pelvic floor. And then imagine and feel another column of light slowly spreading up from your feet to your pelvic floor. Feel the space in your pelvic bowl where these two columns of light meet. Feel the warmth and see the glow here. Watch the glow expand as you breathe down into your pelvic floor. Every wave of breath makes the area glow brighter, healthier, and more vibrant. As it lights up and expands, imagine your pelvic floor like a blossoming lotus. Your pelvic muscles release and relax, not only vital, but also open and calm. Your cells are basking in this light. Your tissues are reorganizing. They're becoming supple and resilient. You don't have to do anything to make it so. You don't have to understand how this is happening, how it's helping. You don't have to understand why or how to keep it going. Just know that your positive attention and your continuous rhythmic breath is creating profound healing in your body. The waves of your breath provide nourishment, strength, and protection with every inhale, and complete detoxification, surrender, and release with every exhale. Give yourself another full minute with this breathing practice. Feel the waves of your breath stoking the glow in your pelvic bowl. I'll sound a chime when your time is up. Now deepen your inhales and your exhales and start to slowly wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring your awareness back into the present moment. Flutter your eyes open. And when you're ready, prepare to move on with your beautiful day, still keeping this feeling, returning to the wave of breath whenever you need it.